Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I am going to explain about the portfolio analysis for strategy. Portfolio analysis can be defined as or is the method of company evaluate the business unit or product if they were investment in portfolios are known as portfolio analysis. And there was various advantage of portfolio analysis such as performance comparison is the first one, and second one is for the better choice of strategy is the second one, and better decision is the third one, risk management. These are the advantage of the portfolio analysis. Now in this video I am going to talk about BCG matrix. And BCG matrix is developed by the Boston Consulting Groups. And according to the BCG matrix, the company use the two factor market growth and market share for the analysis, or for the portfolio analysis is known as boosting or boosting consulting groups. And it is the simplest way of portrait the investment portfolio. And now let's talk about the Boston Consulting Group categories. It mainly category into four types. There are star, cash cows, and the dogs and question mark. Now let's talk about the stars. Stars means that has stars is the business unit that has a high market share and the high market growth rate is known as stars. Stars, they have a lot of cash, is known as star, but they need a lot of money to maintain their share market. And for the exam in the context of Nepal, the example of cash cow is digital mobile banking is the example of the stars. Now let's talk about the strategic options of the stars. These are the product development, market penetration, market development. These are the and as well as horizontal, vertical, and horizontal vertical integrations are the example, are the strategic opinions of stars. Now let's talk about the cash cows. Cash cows means those that have the high market value but the growth rate is the low in the business unit is known as a cash cow. And the cash cows are the yesterday's stars. And cash cow needs a high investment for to maintain the market share is known as cash cows. And the strategic opinions of the cash cows are the market penetration, product development, market development, and the diversifications. And these are the retrenchment. These are the strategic options of the cash cow. Now let's talk about the dogs. Dogs means the dog has no future in the business unit. Those business unit that has low market values or low market share and the low market growth are known as dogs. Due to the low market growth and low growth share or market share, there's no future in the environment or in the business unit is known as dogs. And strategic opinion of the dogs are liquidation, devastations, and the retrenchments are the strategic opinion. Now let's talk about the question mark. Question mark means those business unit that has the low market share but they have a high growth rate in the market is known as a question mark. They may be successful in the future, but they need a huge advertising, and the distributions is known as question mark. Now let's talk about the strategic options are product development and retrenchments or devastations. These are the strategic options. And lastly, let's talk about the limitations of the BCG matrix, or it is simplistic, means it has just only two factors is known as simplistic. And binary classification means only high and low. These are the binary classifications. And static snapshot means they based on the market share but the market share and the market growth rate is changing day by day is known as static snapshot. And difficult measurement, it is hard or it is difficult to measure the market growth rate and the market share measurement. It is difficult to measure in the company or in the environment. These are the limitations of the BCG matrix. Thank you, hope you like this video. Okay, bye.